How to use AutoZone Rewards program? Well, to use the AutoZone Rewards program, you'll have to first sign up for AutoZone account. So whether you're using the app, you can use the app to sign up. I've already made a video on how you can do it, or you can do it on AutoZone.com. You want to sign up for your account. Once you have your account set up, right, then you can earn 1 credit for purchases of $20 plus. So if you made one purchase of $20 plus, you'll earn 1 credit. Then once you accumulate 5 credits, you can accumulate your 5 credits to receive $20 reward. Now, rewards are redeemed in store via phone number or digital card, or online by signing in before checkout. So make sure you sign into your account and you can tap on AutoZone Rewards and you'll be able to see credits earned and available balance. You can also add it to Apple Wallet directly. If you do have rewards, you'll be able to add it, right? Similarly, during the checkout process, you'll be able to select the credits, the option to use AutoZone credits or AutoZone Rewards. So it's simple. How to earn? As I mentioned earlier, you can earn 1 credit for qualifying purchases of $20 or more. You must make 5 separate qualified purchases to earn a $20 reward. Now, new members can also receive up to $5 bonus reward upon joining as well. However, I was unable to earn any. But here, you'll be able to redeem rewards in store by providing your phone number, scanning your digital card in the AutoZone app, or by signing into your account online and making the purchase. However, remember that credits expire in 365 days, that is 1 year after issuance, while rewards expire 90 days, 3 months after they are issued. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.